Guys, this right here is for everybody who is not afraid of heights. This walk right here, because the rocks are definitely moving, and so it's pretty dangerous, but I like it. And so right here, guys, we have is a 2005 GMC Savana 3500 6-liter. It is pretty nice. It pulls somewhere between 3,000 pounds to highest I've taken is 4.5, 5. So just depends what kind of loads they are, because sometimes they can be bulky and they would not fit in a truck, or they will be too dangerous to carry because of the shape. So I just don't take this with this truck. But other than that, it is a money maker right here. So I like it. And what we have right here, yes, buggies. This is Texas, y'all. This truck is under 10,000 pounds, so by law I do not have to go through a weigh station or anything like that. So it is saving you a lot of time, you know. And it is pretty low in height comparable, so I can go pretty much anywhere if I'm in a city. Like I was in downtown Chicago, and I was actually able to go through like tunnels and stuff like that, because the height is just right there where most of the things are built like 11 feet, the bridges and stuff like that and tunnels. So this truck is perfect. It can go anywhere. So this is basically my control unit right here. I have my radio right here that I play, and then of course all the hookups for the GPS and stuff like that. This is where my dash cam is. So this right here is for the car Apple Play that's gonna be. I'm gonna install it later, and the reason is because I need sometimes GPS to work, and it sometimes if I'm in a desert or stuff like that, the internet goes out and my phone could just freeze up, and then I don't know where I'm going. So it would be nice to have a GPS right here. I'm gonna take out this old unit and put car Apple Play. So that would be the plan. So the wire that's hanging right here is actually I'm using when I'm at a truck stop, or when I'm just on a parking lot waiting for a load. I just plug it in the generator and hook it up, and then I get electricity. I get to plug it in to have a fan or heater to work. This is my heater and fan right here. For now, we will be updating those things constantly, because pretty much I live in this truck. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then right here, guys, I have my bed. It's pretty nice. It's actually not that small. It's like a twin size bed. So for a box truck that you use as, you know, to make money and also to live out of, it's pretty nice. So I have some of my clothes right there hanging that I install. And of course I'm gonna put some more shelves and stuff like that. That's just so I can have more storage. And then right here we have a TV that I installed, and for now it's just like this, but then we're gonna be updating it. So I have some of my essentials right there, and this is the nightstand. Keep all my essentials right. So right here inside of the door handle pocket I have Xbox that I plug it in right here, and then right here we have a TV, so I can do some games, watch movies and stuff like that, because you know sometimes you can wait for a couple of days and the load will never come, so it gets pretty boring. So I decided to get it. It works really nicely and it doesn't really obstruct anything. So when I'm ready to play game or something like that, I just plug it in, the wires right here, and that's it, and it's good to go.